Welcome to my channel. My name is Tatiana, and in this video I'll show you how I update this dresser for my son's room. This is just a cheap way to keep furniture looking pretty. I start by taking out the drawers and taking off all the knobs and just putting them into a Ziploc bag and putting them way to the side for later. Then I go ahead and sand with 60 and 120 grit sandpaper. On the drawer faces, I just kind of sand it lightly, run it through, and then on the top of the dresser, I do sand it a lot more deeper to where it takes off all the finish so I can restain it. Started to rain, so I took this inside. I go ahead and get a microfiber cloth, just damp it a little bit and wipe down the entire dresser and drawers to take down all the dust. And I'm gonna go ahead and start staining. I use I think it's like classic gray stain. I just run through it lightly and wipe it down right away afterwards. Then when I'm done staining the top of the dresser, I'll go ahead and prime the dresser and the drawer fronts. I'll have a list of all the materials that I use and the color of the stain and all of that down in the description. When the primer is done drying, I go ahead with 120 grit sandpaper and lightly sand it and wipe it down, then start to paint it with the gray color. Then I had this incident. My kitty cat, Princess, stepped into some paint. That's always fun. At least the kids are sleeping. Stain is dry and the paint is dry, I go ahead and cover the entire dresser with a clear coat. At first I was just going to do the top, but since it's going and this little boy that's running around here his room. I'm pretty sure he's gonna get it dirty really quick, so then that way it has that extra protection and it's easier to wipe off, because the paint that I used wasn't matte finish. So this way it will have that extra protection. I did use a foam roller, that way it doesn't leave the streaks or the lines in between, and it came out looking perfect. So I was really happy I did cover the entire thing, the entire dresser, with the clear coat. While the dresser was drying, I let the kids sand the knobs, and I stained them the same color as the top of the dresser and covered them with a clear coat also to have that extra protection. For watching my video. I hope this helps you guys redo your furniture. I'd love to see some pictures on my Instagram if you want to tag me in your redoing furniture projects. Thank you and have a blessed day.